unboxing for the Seiren Mini USB microphone from Razer. So I'm about to open it up now. So y'all see what it is. It come in pink and black, and I got the pink one. Oh, look at this. So put it up there. The Seiren Mini Microphone. Yeah. So like the features that the reason I got it, because it's plug and play with the USB cord, so I can plug it either into my laptop, which is Windows. It got a heavy duty tilting stand and shock resistant and professional recording quality. Let's see. Now I'm going to open it now. So y'all see that I'm opening it. Okay, so it comes like this. Got the little instruction book, the cord, the USB cord, and that's the stand. Okay, so I'm just gonna, it's all wrapped up, so it come all nice and wrapped. I'm sliced, y'all. I keep saying I'm gonna get a microphone and I never do, cause I was like, oh, they so expensive, but this not even expensive. Okay, let's see. I'm putting a little piece to it. The extension, the little, so it can connect everything. So that's like that. And then like that. Oh, look at that! Look at that. So this works with Windows. I was looking in the Razer Seiren Mini instruction book, and it says to go to my sounds on my system tray. So I think it's should be right here. I'm gonna right click and go under sounds and no recording. Oh, there you go. Microphone Razer Seiren default device. Yes, for recording. One second. So now I'm going to record my voice. I'm using Veed. It's free, so you can download your recordings and everything. So I'm going to click on audio. Hello, hello, hello. This is Narissa. Hello. Testing 1, 2, 3. Hello, hello, hello. This is Narissa. Hello. Testing 1, 2, 3.